Hello guys, I'm Ria, studying in 5th standard. Today I'm going to tell you a topic from science which is about the heart. So first, let's learn the structure of the heart. So mainly there are 4 chambers in the heart. So the upper 2 chambers are called right atrium and left atrium. The lower 2 chambers are called right ventricle and left ventricle. So now the space between the right and left ventricle is septum, called as septum. Next, the inferior vena cava. Okay, this is the inferior vena cava. This is the superior vena cava. This is the pulmonary veins, and this is the aorta. These both are the aortas. This is the pulmonary artery and this is the main artery. So let's learn the circulation of the blood. So first, the veins carry the impure blood. So the veins carry the impure blood, and the impure blood from the upper body enters into the superior vena cava, and the blood from the lower body enters the inferior vena cava. And now let's learn the blood flow of the impure blood. So impure blood, it enters the superior vena cava to the right atrium, then it enters the valves. Valves are acting like a door in this heart. Okay, so through this valves the blood enters and enters the right ventricle, and from there it enters the pulmonary artery. So it goes, and this pulmonary artery has 2 sides because there are 2 lungs, and it leads the blood to the lungs. Okay, next, the lungs purify this blood and make them oxygenated blood. So the pure blood, which is oxygenated blood, enters into the left atrium using the help of pulmonary veins. It enters into the left atrium, and from there again using the valves it enters the left ventricle, and from there it enters the main artery, and from there it reaches the aorta. So aorta, there are 2 aortas. This aorta sends the blood to the upper body, and this aorta sends the blood to the lower body. Let's learn about the heartbeat and pulse rate now. So what is heartbeat? Heartbeat is 1 contraction and 1 relaxation. So what is this contraction and relaxation? I'll tell you. See, when the blood is flowing through the valves with pressure and through the right ventricle and into the pulmonary artery with pressure, this causes contraction and relaxation. Even here also, when it is entering from the left atrium to the left ventricle with pressure through the valves, it causes the contraction, and from the left ventricle to the main artery with pressure entering the left ventricle, and the main artery causes the pressure, which is relaxation. So now 1 heartbeat is equal to 1 pulse. Okay, so the places where we feel this pulse is near the neck, wrist, behind the knee, ankle and foot. So now let's learn about the pulse chart. Okay, this is the pulse rate chart. So here is the age, newborn, pulse rate per minute. See, beat per minute. BPM means beat per minute. So for newborn, pulse rate will be per minute 70 to 190. 1 to 2 years 80 to 130. 3 to 4 years 80 to 120. 5 to 6 years 75 to 115. 7 to 9 years is 70 to 110. And next, above 10 years means 11 years and above. 60 and 100 is the heartbeat. So now let's learn about the healthy heart. So what is our healthy heart? Healthy heart means when we take care of our coronary arteries. What are coronary arteries? See, now our heart is giving so much nutrients to the blood, right? So who will give the nutrients to the heart? It's the coronary arteries. So ways to take care of this coronary arteries is to reduce the eat of junk food. Okay, first reduce the eat of junk food. Next, do regular exercise. Next, you need to avoid the stress and sleep well. Okay, so you need to eat lots of fruits and vegetables. This is the main part how to take care of our heart, and if you don't follow these instructions, you may get heart attacks also. This is the main cause of the heart attack, which is we are getting more stress, eating more fatty food, not doing a regular exercise. These are the main reasons for your heart attack. So this is what I was going to tell you today. Bye guys.